Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for credit builder loans with Self step by step clearly. To register for credit builder loans with Self, begin by visiting their official website. On the homepage, locate the Get Started button and click on it. You will then be prompted to create an account. Enter your email address and choose a strong password. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. After filling in your information, review the terms and conditions. Next, check the box to agree to these terms before continuing. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a verification email. Open your email and look for the verification message from Self. Click the verification link provided in the email. Once your email is verified, return to the Self website. Log into your newly created account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Credit Builder Loans section. Choose the loan amount that fits your financial needs. Review the details and fees associated with the loan. Click Apply now to begin the application process. Fill out the application form with your personal information. Provide your social security number, income details, and employment information. Double-check all entered information for accuracy. Submit your application for review. Wait for a confirmation email regarding your approval status. Once approved, follow the instructions in the email to finalize your loan. You may need to link your bank account for payment purposes. After linking your account, set up your loan repayment schedule. Finally, confirm all details and officially start building your credit with the loan. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.